I'm going to be teaching this person how to play. Yeah, I made some breath away. Forgot to tell you. Just tell me once you're done. I'll be back.
Okay, I'm done. How do I get
Don't try it. Don't try it. So first, I'm going to teach you how to run. Just jump. Just jump towards me. Just like do this towards me.
Mom? Going so high. Going so high.
Good. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to put your arm and then fling yourself forward. And then do it with the other hand. And keep repeating. And try to get it into a rhythm. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then you could turn. And then you could turn by moving, like turning in real life.
1, 2.
So 1, 2, 1, 2. And the better you get, try to get the closer to the ground.
Can someone teach me how to play?
I'm sorry, I'm teaching this guy already. I would, but I can't.
Yeah.
Alright, so now,
No, we can't.
follow me. So wait, I want to hit, so look. How to run faster is you put your arm, and
This is
1, 2,
competitive.
Is there new players?
2.
This is my brother's account.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I get it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And you can get it pretty fast.
This is my brother's account.
So look,
You're lying. No, I your brother.
look,
And he finished competitive, and his name's Gorilla.
Like that?
look, like, you see how I'm going?
Let's go to private. Let's go to private.
Yeah, let's go in private code.
Oh,
I joined the join.
Oh boy, his arms aren't that short.
No, I'm teaching him.
Are you real?
Yes.
No,
Yeah, finger.
during competitive.
No, I don't have fingerprinter yet. I only have 30 subscribers.
Yo, I got it. I got it. I got
Oh, I press enter now. I'll be, wait,
it. How many subscribers? How many?
wait, 34, I'm 35, no, 33.
Adios, mom.
I'll be right back. Guys, I'll be right back.
Got it.
I'm back. Just need to fix one more thing.
I'm right here.
Oi.
Hey.
So,
What would you do if I referred you, my friends? I want to learn how to walk on people. To
oh,
your
easy.
channel.
You say?
What would you do if I showed your channel to people so that they subscribe?
I'll be super happy.
Okay.
What's your
Where
YouTube
about?
channel?
I don't.
I do. I have like 1,000. I have 1.6K on one YouTube video.
Hold up.
Oh, so you're gonna learn a bit harder than most people. Than
Look at
But look.
I got long arms.
cool. I actually do.
How do you do this? You just go like.
Oh no! That's not how you do it. So first, look. It's all about going
Bob,
wall
climbing the
to wall, wall to wall, wall to wall, wall to wall.
Wall.
Also, try to be as close to the wall as you can. Like you don't want to be going like this. You don't want to be going like this. You want to be like going like this.
Wall.
No. Do you see what I'm saying? You don't want to be like that. You don't want to be like that. You want to be close to the wall. I'm making log jumps. I'm doing it longer since I'm better.
I'll watch out. 1, 2. 1.
Perfect. once you get a slippery wall, it's really hard.
Okay, now how do I wall run? Do I just put my hand on the wall?
No.
Oh, like that?
First.
Set up.
What
I
do we hear?
learned on a YouTube video. I've seen it on a YouTube video. You go like this.
Perfect, actually. I could teach you how to do it better. So, look.
Hold on, let me try one more time. Wait, you.
Yeah?
Is your most recent video your setup?
You say?
Is your recent video your setup?
My setup?
Yeah. Setup, or are you like you're like PC?
Oh, no. I don't have a PC. My brother's building a PC, but I don't have one.
How many subscribers? I landed on a branch.
Perfect.
I know how to wall run and wall run now.
I can do it better. I can teach you how to do it better.
I'm damn good. Cause watch what I just did.
Yeah, but I can make you do it farther and better and faster. You see how you slid down the wall, but look.
Oh, should I?
You're glitched.
Oh, I'm lagging out. My game's gonna crash.
If you lag even more next time, then your game will crash, probably. But it's not gonna.
Oh yeah, he is lagging.
Yeah, his game is crashed.
Yeah.
Knew it. I knew.
The top and goes around back to the left. Yes.
Yo, my most recent video is actually my most viewed YouTube video. It has 1.6K, and most of my videos don't even have 100 views yet. My most crazy thing is nobody has subscribed.
Are you posting Gorilla Tag content?
Yeah, I also do like a few other games like Big Scary and like Seabus, but I mainly post about Gorilla Tag, mainly Gorilla Tag. Good job.
Right.
Oh, so look.
For my last one, I want to learn how to slide juke and branch.
Oh, branching is my favorite skill. I'm super good at it.
Okay, I want to learn how to branch.
First, I want to show you me branching in a few seconds.
I want to branch.
Yo, branching is my favorite skill, and
for you. I got a surprise.
I'm better. I'm like the best in the lobby at branching, always.
Wait, you are? I want 1v1 you. I want 1v1 you. I don't want the code with this on infection.
Yeah.
I want V1 you. I want V1 you.
Yo, look for someone. No, look. Just try to tag me. Just.
I don't want to do the code. I don't want to do the code. Nash, I don't want to do the code on infection. Nash.
Yeah, bro.
I don't want to do the code on infection. Wait, are you the blue minigames kid? No. Come on, let's go. I don't want. Make sure it's on infection.
Yeah, I'm the blue. I have like a blue.
Yeah.
Picture in front of. I have a blue monkey. No, just press option 1, enter.
Oh.
It doesn't say.
You've got to leave. Who's that other guy here?
No, there's already. Oh no, the other guy is infected. Has infection.
He's not infected.
No, there's rock monkey in this. It says so soon, yeah. 14K, yeah. 14K.
Hey, it's 1v1. Come on. I'll be it first.
No, I'll be it first. I have to tag you first.
Okay. You guys
3,
runners run. I
2,
get 10 seconds to run.
1, go.
I get 10 seconds to run.
Oh.
That's what happens when you do a 1v1. Get over here. No, I'm tagging you back.
Fine. 5. No, run. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was not 10 seconds, but whatever. Surprise, surprise.
Man, bro. Easy.
Yeah. I got something to tell you. I'm a YouTuber too.
Wait, what? I'm a YouTuber too, bro.
I have 100 and something subscribers. How much you got?
33, but I have like a lot. But I have a lot of views.
Wow. Okay, come on. Your turn. I've been playing this game for like 9 months, I think.
Oh,
Right,
I've 2 months. Not 3
4,
months. 3 months.
3,
I started in the summer.
2, 1. Oh man.
Dang it.
My turn.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, 0. This is actually way harder. Oh my god! I jumped way too far. I jumped way too far with Rock Monkey. I jumped way too far with Rock Monkey. Oh. Rock Monkey is too hard. Rock Monkey is so hard. No! And yeah, I'm dead.
Didn't expect that, did you?
Yeah, I jumped that far. Bro, Rock Monkey is impossible to play with. I just wanted you to know that.
Oh no!
No! Oh yeah. Bruh.
Something.
No!
You're getting juked so bad.
No! No! Oh! Bruh! Really? I jumped way too far. Oh, no! Bruh. Rock Monkey is like the hardest thing in the world. I don't care. I'm doing the mega jump. I'm doing the mega jump with this on.
Hi.
Bruh.
Up here. Up here.
I am barely surviving. No! Bruh. I'm literally giving up. I'm ending the video. I'm leaving.
Oh, you leaving?
Yeah.
Wait, do you have Discord?
No.
Oh. Go subscribe to me. I'll go subscribe to you.
Oh, my name is Nash VR.
Alright, wait.